Hey everybody, welcome back to the Race 5 Smokehouse and Grill, and today we are doing a quick video on this picanha steak that I found at my local grocery store. Let's fire it up, let's go. Thanks for hanging in there, everybody. Like I said, we are working on this picanha today, and this thing is beauty. Check it out. Normally these come with a nice big fat cap on there that you really love to keep, and a lot of times it's done on a rotisserie style, and it spins and it gets charred up and it's beautiful. This doesn't have a fat cap on it today. It was already taken off at the butcher. We are just going to do this on the Weber Kettle. We're going to hit this with some Jealous Devil lump charcoal and our slow and sear. You don't need to slow and sear, just use your charcoal baskets, or just put the charcoals off to the side, and we're going to do a sear, and then we're going to pull it off and let it ride till we get to our temperature. We're shooting for about 132. First thing we got to do is get this seasoned up, and today we're using one of my favorites. We're using steak and burger from Pork Mafia. I'll put a link in the description below so you can check this out. This goes great on anything beef, even turkey, chicken, everything. This is a great all-purpose rub. Check it out. We're going to season this pretty liberally on both sides. And now before I completely season this side, we can see that the grain is running this way. When we cut it at the end, we're gonna want to slice against the grain. So it's running this way. So I'm just gonna leave a couple little notches in here. This is where I'm gonna slice when the time comes. So we got our notches in here. That's gonna show us how to cut this when we're done. Finish seasoning this up. Man, it smells so good already. This is all seasoned up. Let's get that Weber Kettle fired up. Like I said again, we are using Jealous Devil lump charcoal. We are putting it in our slow and seared, no water pan, because we don't really need that extra moisture in the chamber, because this is going to cook fast. We're going to sear it up, pull it off, and let it get to our temperature, which is going to be somewhere between 130 and 135. Let's go get it fired up. We have the grill nice and hot right now, so we're gonna sear this picanha roughly for about a minute on each side. Then we're gonna pull it off the heat, put a temp probe in there, and let it get to our desired temp. Let's get this bad boy on. If you've never had a picanha, I suggest you really go out and try to find one. These things are tender and juicy, and they're just delicious. They might be my favorite cut of beef. Check it out. Okay, that's about a minute. Let's flip it. Flippin' picanhas, flippin' picanhas, delicious picanhas, oh yeah. Okay, it's been a minute on each side. Let's pull it off, get that temp probe in there, and let it come to temp. You want to put the temp probe in the thickest part of the meat. That way you know it's cooked all the way through. Now we're gonna close the lid and just let it cook through. This picanha has hit its internal temperature of around 130, 132, depending on where we probe it. So we're gonna pull it off, let it rest for about 10 minutes, let it finish with that residual cooking and let those juices redistribute. Then we're gonna slice into it. Let's pull it off and let it rest. This picanha is done cooking. It looks amazing. Seasoned with the awesome steak and burger rub. Let's go ahead and slice into this. I can't wait. Now's where we came in with these little slices we made here. That's where we're gonna start, and we're just gonna cut across against the grain. So tender. Oh, wow. Like, that is what you're looking for. I can't wait any longer. Oh, man. Tender, juicy, packed with flavor. If you guys run across picanha in the store, please pick it up. I know that there's websites where you could buy it also online. It's such an easy thing to make. Get it, try it, you're going to love it, I guarantee it. This thing's gonna be gone here in a minute. If you liked what we did here, please give us a like, subscribe, check out our other videos, check us out on social media at these links below, and we'll talk to you soon. Cheers everybody, take care.